Okay, we got a big badass storm coming in. The wind just came up right now. White caps are building. It's coming in out of the northwest. This could be like tornado stuff. The sky's kind of green out over there. Black out over here behind us. White caps forming out in the lake. Wow, is it ever getting dark? The wind's really strong out over there. White caps over there. The other bay. You can hear the wind howling. Come on, Katie. I got my little Katie with me. Whoa, it's just howling over there on the other side of the river. Look at that. Uh-oh. I heard a tree fall on the other side of the river. A tree just fell.
Oh, did you hear a tree fall?
Yeah, is our power still on? Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah, it's a big storm, Griff. It's on the other side of the river right now. Seems to be calming a little bit. The headwind was unbelievable. Yeah. Mac's pretty nervous. Here it comes again. Oh yeah, you can see the gusts on the water. Holy cow. Shit! Son of a bitch! You okay, Katie? Get in, Mac. Wow, I went right through the screen door. This tree come right at me and Katie. One of our big trees. Just broke. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Griff, get in the house.
Why?
Holy cow. I think that's a funnel down. Over on the other side. Holy cow. Okay, get in the house, Griff.
Why?
Wow. Holy cow, I think we're going to lose another tree.
Another's gonna fall.
Power's out.
What?
We just lost our power.
We did? Oh no, I can't watch my movie. Our power's out.
I think I hurt my arm. We're going to lose that tree there. It's going to break. It's getting uprooted.
Now everything
It's getting uprooted. This is crazy.
Everything
Shh, I know the power's out, guys. Come on up, baby. Oh, that tree just went back into place. It's uprooted now, though. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you can say that again.